Good morning, children. Class 10 Geography, Chapter 4 Climate, Part 2. Cycle of Seasons and Seasons of India. The four distinct seasons found in India: the hot dry season, summer season, the monsoon season or the rainy season, the rotating monsoon season, and the winter season, cold weather season. Clear? The hot dry season, summer season. The duration of summer season beginning from March to May. During summer solstice, the topic of Cancer, over sunshine, India divided into two halves. The mainland of India is heated, develop of low pressure belt, and the seas and ocean develop high pressure belt. Clear? Second, the increase in temperature in the northwestern parts of Rajasthan, the maximum temperature is 45 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius. In the central part of India, 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. And the southern parts of India, 30 degree to 35 degrees Celsius temperature. In during season, the western part and northern plain develop low pressure belt, and the Thar desert and Chotanagpur plateau low trough conditions. In during season, the dusty, strong, dry wind blowing northwestern parts and plain in India is locally known as Loo. A Loo can sunstroke to the people. In during evening time, commonly flow thunderstorm in the northwestern parts of India is called nor'wester. A nor'wester is a campaign and blow in month of Baisakh in West Bengal is commonly known as Kal Baisakhi, and Assam in Badoi Chila. In during evening time, the thunderstorm, light rain occurs in the southern parts of Kerala, adjoining state of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Pre-monsoon shower is known as mango showers. It is also called because the early ripening of the mango. In the southern parts of country, pre-monsoon shower is cherry blossom. It is beneficial to plantation agriculture, especially coffee plantation. Clear? Next, the monsoon season or the rainy season. The monsoon season begins from June to September. It is also called rainy season. The duration of rainy season from decrease from south to north and east to west. In during season, 5 to 8 degrees Celsius temperature is declined in middle of June and July. The low pressure develop northwestern part of Thar desert between Chotanagpur plateau, and high pressure develop over ocean seas. In during season, the prevailing winds, the south east trade winds across the country The southwest trade winds across the equator and enter Indian Ocean, India, normally and Andaman and Nicobar Island in 15 May and in Kerala in 1st June every year. And whole parts of the country cover monsoon in during 15 July. Clear? The monsoon winds is bearing winds, moisture bearing winds, gets rainfall in our country. Bulk of rainfall receive our country. The monsoon winds divide into two branches based on their southern parts of country is triangular in shape. The southern parts of country is triangular in shape. The monsoon wind divided into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon and the Bay of Bengal branch in southwest monsoon. Clear? The Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon obstruct in western Ghat. This monsoon gets rainfall in Sahyadri, in windward side and leeward side. Southern plateau is dry, is rain shadow area. Clear? Bay of Bengal branch struck in coast of Myanmar and south of Bangladesh and across the foothills of the Himalayas and turn westward. In northern plain gets heavy rainfall or northeastern state like the Mosina, Meghalaya have gets heavy rainfall in the world. It is also called wettest place of the world. Clear? In the Bay of Bengal branch, the direction of monsoon west is to westward, and the Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch meet to Punjab, Haryana and northwestern part of India. Clear? The wind blow from sea to land from southwest to northeast. Next, the retreat monsoon wind. Third, the retreat monsoon season. The retreat monsoon season beginning from September to early November. In this season, the low pressure belt replaces the high pressure belt, and low pressure belt shift in Bay of Bengal. In during season, low temperature and pressure belt shift to retreat monsoon. In during season, the low pressure belt shift in Bay of Bengal, and Bay of Bengal devastating tropical cyclone affect in the Bay of